Legends of Learning presents The Thirsty Monkey Game. This is a science quiz game that makes learning about the water cycle and weather patterns fun and easy to understand. In this quiz game, you will free the monkeys and earn stars by launching weather bubbles. In this game, you will learn about water and how it moves on the earth. After a short tutorial at the beginning, you will play the game and gain power-ups by answering the questions correctly. Pay attention so you can ace the quiz at the end. Good luck! Enjoy this fun bubble matching game. Help reveal 6 golden coins, or save a monkey by matching colored balls and shooting them down. Use your mouse to click to release the colored balls. You can drag your mouse whilst holding down on it to find the perfect aim. Collect points for every level. Read interesting science facts about the water cycle and weather patterns between levels. Learn more about the water cycle and weather patterns in this quiz game and answer questions correctly to help progress further. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Have fun and enjoy playing.